are you making today?
I'm making oranges sweet dessert. Do you want you guys help me?
Explain what you're doing.
Do you guys want to help me?
Yes. Now what are you doing?
I'm peeling up the oranges so it could be so whipped cream can be on the top. Ow. And hold it.
You got it. Put it on the side. Nope.
Ow.
Look. The top. Look. Sign on the top. Hold on. You gotta shake it first. Hold on. Okay.
No more like
No, that's
right
fine.
here. Can I lick it?
Jump, jump, jump around.
So I messed it up. Now, Daddy, give me a spoon.
Touch the ground. Shake, shake your hips.
Now we're
I
going
know a song
Wish
and
it.
it goes